Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burgers stovetop. Start with the right ground beef, ideally an 80-20 blend for juiciness. Gently form your patties, making them about 1/2 inch thick and slightly wider than your bun to account for shrinkage. Don't overwork the meat. Season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper for maximum flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Heat a cast iron skillet or heavy-bottomed pan over medium-high heat until it's nice and hot. Add just a small amount of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed. Place your seasoned patties in the hot pan and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a delicious medium doneness. For that classic cheeseburger, add a slice of your favorite cheese during the last minute of cooking. Cover the pan briefly to create a steamy environment, melting that cheese into gooey perfection. While your burgers rest, lightly toast your burger buns in the same pan or a separate toaster for a warm, slightly crispy base. Once cooked, let your burgers rest for a few minutes. This helps the juices redistribute, keeping them moist and flavorful. Now for the fun part, assembly. Pile on your favorite toppings like lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles, and don't forget your condiments. Serve your delicious stovetop burger immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.